On the mystical planet of Ayurveda, an ancient prophecy foretold the return of the demon king, Mahakala. He sought to destroy the legendary sword of the ancients, a powerful artifact passed down through generations of Ayurveda's rulers. Kavita, a wise and fearless warrior priestess, learned of the impending invasion. Determined to protect her homeland and the sacred sword, she embarked on a perilous journey. Kavita rallied the people of Ayurveda, uniting tribes and cities against the common threat. She also forged an unlikely alliance with the robotic guardians of the planet's ancient technology, the Arya bots. Together, they prepared for battle. Kavita honed her skills in the ancient art of Aryakala, while the Arya bots upgraded their armor and weaponry. As Mahakala's dark armies descended upon Ayurveda, Kavita and her forces stood ready. The battle raged across the planet's skies and landscapes, with Kavita and the Arya bots at the forefront. In the heart of the Demon King's fortress, Kavita confronted Mahakala. The sword of the ancients shone brightly as she wielded it against the darkness. With a final, mighty blow, Kavita struck down Mahakala, shattering his dark energies. The Demon King's army dissipated, and Ayurveda was saved. The people rejoiced, hailing Kavita as a hero. The Arya bots saluted her bravery, and the ancient sword glowed with renewed power. Kavita returned the sword to its sacred temple, ensuring its protection for generations to come. Ayurveda entered a new era of peace and prosperity. The wise sages proclaimed, when courage and unity prevail, even the darkest of threats cannot conquer the light of Ayurveda. Kavita's legend inspired countless tales, reminding the people of Ayurveda that their strength lies in unity, courage, and the unwavering protection of their heritage. Years passed, and Devlok prospered. Kalyani's legacy continued through her daughter, Aradhya, a skilled warrior priestess. Dr. Vyasa's grandson, Rohan, innovated new technologies, strengthening the Dev bots. Aradhya and Rohan led the response team, safeguarding the planet. Devlok's preparedness had become a beacon of hope, attracting friends, not foes. Aradhya smiled, our vigilance ensures peace.